White's objective here is to kill black on the corner. So black's ice base is pretty big, and if white tries to reduce it, it's probably not a good idea. Black can live very easily like this. Or white might be able to come in, but black can start a ko, like this. So how does white kill black without starting a ko? You might try this clamp, but here it doesn't work because black can clamp back, and this will be a ko again. If white doesn't play the ko, black will live like this. Or if white plays something like this, then this will be a straightforward pattern. So number 1 actually doesn't work. The correct first move is right here. It's not that easy to find, but it's quite obvious why it's a good move. So if black allows white to connect back at number 3, now black can't come in, so black can only play this. Now this is not enough ice space. This is very easy for white. So black must prevent white from connecting back. So there are a few moves. One is this, but this is not good because white can play 2 Ataris now and connect. Now no matter what black does on the corner, black will be dead. So if black tries to increase its eye space, white can make a real eye here. And this will be a classic real eye versus no eye situation. And black will be dead. Black can't come in here because white can capture all of black. Black is very short on liberties here. And if black plays on the inside, white should play this move, right? If white plays here, this would be a seki. So white must occupy this point. If black plays this, then we're back to real eye versus no eye. If black plays this, then this will be a bulky 5 at the end, after number 11 destroys a potential eye. So after number 7, black is already dead. You can try some of the other variations on your own. So number 2 is not a good idea because it gives white 3 and 5 to work with. What about standing down here? Now it seems like white can just play this move, and white can still succeed. This might get a little complicated, but we can go through some of the variations. If black plays here, then white can just reduce black's eye space and then build a real eye here. If black plays this, white can destroy this real eye, and whatever is left is definitely not enough eye space for black. If black plays here, then white can play this move. So again, white will build a pyramid 4 and can fill in the 1-1 point to form a bulky 5 shape. So black is frozen. Black cannot really fill in any of the mutual liberties, and at the end, this will be a real eye versus no eye situation. Black has 0 eyes and will be killed by white. If black tries this is going to be similar. White will play this move, preserves 1 real eye. If black plays this, then white will be able to win this race to capture because black's liberties on the outside are really short. So as long as white has a real eye on the inside, black will fall short. Similarly, this is also a dead shape because black cannot play. Once black fills in this liberty, white can fill in its own 1-1 point and form a bulky 5 shape. And if black doesn't play, once again, this will be a real eye versus no eye situation because this is a fake eye for black. You can try some of the other variations after 1, 2, and 3. White should be able to kill black. Lastly, if black plays this move, white should still play here at the 2-2 point. Now if black plays here, white can come in and destroy this eye, and now black's eye space is relatively small. If black tries to increase its eye space, then white can actually connect underneath here. So black will fail this way. And of course, if black prevents these 2 stones from escaping, white can simply reduce black's eye space and kill black this way. So overall, it gets a little complicated after number 1, and it requires some careful calculation, especially about black's various responses to white's number 1. Hopefully you enjoyed this calculation exercise, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.